Hello friends, this question is from the test series number 5. Subject name is communication, topic name is digital communication. It's a 2 marks problem. Question says that we have one message signal MT which is an input to a delta modulator. Okay, the message signal MT is defined as 6 sine 2 pi into 10 raised to the power 3t plus 4 sine 4 pi into 10 raised to the power 3t. Okay, where t is in second. Then question says that minimum pulse rate that will prevent the slope overload. Okay, we need to find out the pulse rate which will prevent the slope overload if the step size is 0.314 volt. The step size is given to you. The question, we know that the condition to avoid the slope overload is my delta by ts should be greater than equal to dmt by dt. Okay, so my derivative of my message signal must be less than or equal to the delta by ts. So if you want to hold the inequality, so in this case of inequality is going to hold only for the maximum value of derivative. Okay, the inequality must be hold in the case of maximum value of dmt by dt, such that for any other value, any value minimum to that, the delta by ts will always be greater than. So 1 by ts is fs, so is going to be dmt by dt max. Okay, so we have the message signal, to just simply take the derivative, and so this derivative of the message signal will be what? We can see that it will be 6 into 2 pi, omega will terms come outside, into 10 raised to the power 3. Okay, then we'll have a sine term. Okay, then plus 4 into 4 pi into 10 raised to the power 3. Then we'll have again a sine term. Okay, but friends, tell me what we are interested in. We are interested in the maximum value of the derivative. So what is the maximum value of sinusoidal? The maximum value of the sinusoidal is 1. Another, the maximum value of the sinusoidal is 1, because we are taking the case of the maximum value of the derivative. So the maximum value will be 6 into 2 pi to 10 raised to the power 3 plus 4 into 4 pi to 10 raised to the power 3. So it will be delta into fs times 6 into 2 pi into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 4 into 4 pi into 10 raised to the power 3. Then delta is the step size, which is again given to us as a 0.314. Let's put the value of step size. Okay, let's divide the expression with the step size, and you will have 0.314, and then you will have your sampling frequency fs is equal to the 28 into 10 raised to the power 4 hertz, or you can say that 280 kilohertz. So the sampling frequency of my delta modulator is 280 kilohertz, or 280 into 10 raised to the power 3 second inverse. Okay, hertz nothing but 1 upon second. Okay, so the option B is my correct option. Option B will be the answer for this problem. Thank you.